situation of elderly in other countries. I choose news of United States, Japan, and Africa. The first news is from the United States. I decided to talk about it because it is one of the most richest countries in the world and has a lot of resources. So other people who live there should have faced the pandemic in good conditions, but the first different. In this new U.S. concerns of naked in nursing homes of the newspaper Human Rights Watch, which was released on 25th of March of 2021, it talked about the abuse of the nursing homes workers to the ancients. The members of the newspaper interviewed more than 60 people and reports for independent monitors. It revealed the bad situation inside the nursing homes around the United States. Some elders showed signs of strength loss, weight loss, dehydration, untreated investors, inadequate hygiene, mental and physical decline, and inappropriate use of psychotropic medications. The little staff and the prohibition of family visits who helped the workers to take care of the elderly are possible causes of this abuse and neglect. Also, in the nursing homes of the United States, 178,000 persons died and 1.4 million residents and employees have been infected. Arrested on orders people right, Laura Mills said, even before the pandemic, the U.S. government failed to ensure that nursing homes were adequately staffed and regulated. The huge number of deaths in nursing homes from COVID-19 and emerging reports to neglect during the pandemic show that these failures have come at an enormous cost. To continue, I want to talk about the situation in Japan with the help of these two news to explain how the old Japanese people passed the pandemic. I chose Japan because it is the oldest country in the world. In the first, Japanese early less during the pandemic, Japan had one of the lowest number of deaths and contagions. Some people think it was because of many facts like the culture, which isn't usually close contact such as kisses or hugs. The big number of people who had a voluntary confinement, the use of the mask for a lot of years among others. This new coronavirus in Japan explain this and more. This was the news from the BBC newspaper. In the other two, Japanese are less socially active due to COVID-19 epidemic. A company did a test of around 600 old men and women about the activities that they could do during the pandemic and the frequency they went out. The company interviewed these people on August of 2019 and August of 2020. In this picture, we can see the number of people who went out almost every day in 2019 is more than the number in 2020. And the number of people who rarely went out will increase in 2020. In the other picture are the opinions of these anxious people about this exit outside and how their social lives changed during the pandemic. The activities conditions couldn't be calmed. This news is from nippon.com. Finish, I'm going to talk about the African ancient situation. I choose to talk about this country because a lot of the population is poor. It is poor. And I think it is important to remember the difficult lives during the virus and before. I found very interesting news in El País, which talk about the elders in Tanzania, Africa. The situation in Tanzania wasn't good before COVID-19, but with the reach of this virus, the situation became worse. The article used for examples Elizabeth M. Bees, of 74 years, who lives alone and survives thanks to her neighbors. The sisters Asha and Mariam Soleimani and Habiba Saidi. Everyone is an ancient who lives in very bad conditions and can pay their houses rent. Elena Ramos, project coordinator at Graffiti Project for Development and Cooperation explains in this way. For better or for worse, the people who live in the village depend on the one harvest and his family members, who is in case of taking care of his servants. Furthermore, all the people do not stay in urban areas. They return to their village when they are no longer old enough to continue working. But in the elderly are completely forgotten. The help of neighbors is needed, and in times of crisis, such as the one caused by the pandemic, the first thing that is